Hello, this is Lamar Ellis with Drone Education Services. Today on 500 Flights and Counting, the roof joists are going to get started. This was a great day to fly. The weather was perfect. The framers began to install the ceiling for the second floor. This was where I was able to showcase the coordination of activities. Framers are incredibly acrobatic, and they were having to carefully traverse the rafters from great heights. The coordination of materials being transferred from the ground to the deck to the second level to the framers was incredible. I really had no idea of how hard framers worked, and it was another 95-degree day. With all of my training, I was able to get close-ups of the framers in action. I was confident in my abilities because as the house was getting higher, the airspace was getting more clear. As I was flying, I was beginning to use shots that I could to keep the framers inside the frame of the shot. I was testing fly-ups and fly-intos, and while focusing on the workers. My favorite shot was the rotational pan. I was now confident in using the drone to have movement while I also moved the camera. Not only was I hovering and moving the camera, but I was also going up and down while also moving the camera. I had a clear field of vision and was using the rotational pans to focus in on the workers as they began to install the roof joist. When the workers were done for the day, and because it was summer, I still had a lot of daylight left to film the progress. This was the time I could review the work and get some close-ups of the progress that was made. The roof joists had small gaps cut into them that you could not see from the ground. This was a great time to do the close-ups of the framing. I knew that my time was getting limited to shoot this information because I realized that once the roof joists were installed, that the house would be dried in and the roof tiles would soon be installed. This was one of my last chances to get good close-ups of the roof. Hope you enjoy what you're seeing today. Don't forget to subscribe and share. One thing that I've noted in my flights is that I'll never wear headphones on both ears. I'll always keep one ear open so that I can hear if the possibility of a helicopter comes into my airspace.